Hi, I'm Brian, one of the librarians here for the Lincolnwood Library, and we have recently added playaways to our collection. They are all-in-one audiobooks. You don't need anything other than basically the playaway and a set of headphones and a battery. Take it out of the case, and you see it even includes the AAA battery. And take the unit out, and you see it has the controls on the back. Open the bottom case up, and you'll have to insert the battery. The battery flat end goes on the flat edge of the connector. Put the case back on, and you are ready to go. To power it on, you press and hold the power button for a couple seconds, and the screen turns on. Of course, before you actually start listening, you'll have to plug in your headphones and put your headphones on. There's a standard headphone plug. Plug that in, and hit play.
To Dr. Michael Howesy, the members of the Hartford Hospital Book.
On the side, there is volume plus and minus that you just hit to increase and decrease the volume. And there's also a speed button where you can go through 5 different speeds of the audiobook reader. You can use the play pause button to start and stop the audiobook. Use the skip button to go back or forward, and press and hold the rewind or fast forward button to move forward. And if you need more help, you can use the instructions in the case, or you can reach out to us at the library. You can give us a call at 847-677-5277. Come on in for in-person help, or email us at asd@lincolnwoodlibrary.org. Happy listening!